Now we are going to next problem. Problem number 4. Listen very carefully. I am reading the question. A plane, an aeroplane is flying. Aeroplane will fly in the air. In the air. What I mean to say, above. Above. Aeroplanes will fly above. So a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above sea level. See, this is the sea level. Now, aeroplane is flying 5,000 meters above sea level. How many meters? 5,000 meters above sea level. Now, exactly below the aeroplane, a submarine is moving inside water, under the water. A submarine, you know, say submarine. Submarines will travel under the water, below the water. Now, aeroplane is flying above the sea level in the air, and submarine is traveling under the sea level, below the water. Now, below the water level, under the water. Now, what they are asking? They are asking, what is the distance between the aeroplane and the submarine? Okay, now listen carefully. Observe. I will write the steps, but before writing the steps, I will explain to you the concept given in the question. See, for example, think a person in the aeroplane, a person who is traveling in the aeroplane, if he is jumping from the aeroplane, if that person is jumping from the aeroplane, now from aeroplane to reach the sea level, to reach the surface of the sea, how much distance we should travel? 5,000 meters. So, if any person is jumping from the aeroplane, after traveling 5,000 meters, he will reach the sea level, water level. Now, from there, if he wants to go to submarine, still he has to travel now. Submarine is not on the water, it is inside the water. So, to reach the submarine, again he should travel 1200 meters. Now, you tell me total how much distance did he travel? First he traveled 5000 meters and afterwards he traveled 1200 meters. So, total how much distance did he travel? He traveled 6,200 meters. Now let me write steps. Height of aeroplane above sea level. Above sea level. This is first step. At how much height the aeroplane is traveling above sea level? 5,000. See here, I am writing plus 5,000. Plus 5,000 because above means positive, below means negative in integers. Above means positive, below means negative. Right means positive, left means negative. Now, we will write about submarine now. See here what word I am using? I am using the word depth. Depth means inside. Height means above. Depth means below. Depth of submarine below sea level. (1200 meters). Why did I write minus 1200? Because it is below. Why did I write plus 5000? Because it is above. Understood clearly? Now, what is the distance between them? Final step. Distance between the aeroplane and submarine. 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 Do you know the meaning of submarine? Submarine is the name of ship which will travel below the water level. Below the water level. Normal ships will travel on the level of water. They will travel on water, but submarines will travel below the water level. So we have to find the distance. Now let me start from here. Plus 5,000 minus. See, why I am using the word minus? Because from here I am coming down. Down means negative, no? So I am using minus. Now I am writing this number. Understand this step very carefully. First I wrote plus 5,000 because I am traveling down. A person, imagine a person if he is jumping from the aeroplane, jumping, will he go up or will he fall down? He will fall down. So down means negative. So I used minus. Now again I am copying the same number as it is. Because the submarine is traveling below the water level, I wrote minus 1200. Now, in the basics of integers, we learn this one. I am writing here. Listen carefully. We learn minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus. So, observe what I am writing. 5,000 minus into bracket means into. Minus into minus plus 1200. So the final answer is plus 6,200 meters. See here, when the signs are same, what should you do? Addition. So the answer also will have same sign. Now I will explain the total problem once again. Listen very carefully. This is the problem about an aeroplane which is traveling above the sea level and a submarine which is traveling below the sea level. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the distance between them. For explaining, I told you one simple imagination. What is the imagination? If a person is jumping from the aeroplane, first to reach the sea level, he should travel 5,000 meters. Again, to reach the submarine, he should travel 1,200 meters. So total how much distance did he travel? 6,200 meters. The same concept I explained here using steps. Height of the aeroplane above. Because they used the word above, I used plus sign. Depth of the submarine below. Because they are using the word below, I used minus 1,200 meters. Now, distance between the aeroplane and submarine. I wrote the first number. Because we are falling down, I wrote minus sign, and second number I wrote as it is. Now, minus into minus is plus. So, I wrote plus and I added these both numbers, and the final answer is 6,200 meters. Yes, children, now next problem. This is a very easy problem. Listen carefully. Mohan, a person Mohan, deposited rupees 2,000 in his bank account. Depositing means we are taking into our own account. So it is considered as positive. How much money did he deposit? 2,000 rupees. After depositing, because he has some use with money, he withdraw some money. How much did he withdraw? 1,642. Now he deposited 2,000 rupees and he withdraw 1,642 rupees. Now after withdrawing, will our balance increase or decrease? Balance will decrease. So what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the balance after Mohan withdraw the money. Okay. I am writing the steps, listen carefully. Money Mohan deposited. Money Mohan deposited. How much money did Mohan deposit in his account? Rupees 2000. Rupees 2000. This much money he deposited in his bank account. Now, money Mohan withdrew. Withdraw means taking away from balance from his account. He has taken out some money. Money Mohan withdraw. How much? Rupees 1642. Now, observe carefully. They have given in the problem that deposit is considered as positive, withdrawal is considered negative. So, I am writing here plus sign. Here I am writing minus sign. Depositing means positive, withdrawing means negative. It does not mean he is withdrawing minus 1642. With how much he is withdrawing, that is rupees 1642. Why I am using the word or the sign minus? Because he is withdrawing. Okay? Now, money balance in Mohan's account. Balance in Mohan's account. Now, listen carefully. I am doing the process here in rough work. I am doing the process. I will keep the signs also in rough work only. I will not keep the signs here because in steps you may get confused. I am writing only rupees 2000, rupees 1642. Rough work I will do here. Plus rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642. Now observe carefully. Plus and minus. When the signs are different, what should we do? Subtraction. When the signs are same, addition. When the signs are opposite, subtraction. So let me subtract. See here, from 0 we cannot subtract 2. We cannot take anything from tens place and hundreds place. So we have to start from thousands place. 2 becomes, what 2 becomes? 1. 0 becomes 10. 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. 10 becomes 9. 0 becomes 10. Now, what is 10 minus 2? 8. What is 9 minus 4? 5. What is 9 minus 6? 3. What is 1 minus 1? 0. Now, last important step. For this rupees 358, which sign should I give? Positive or negative? Positive, because the bigger number is plus. So, answer is plus. So, after withdrawing money, still Mohan has rupees 358 in his account. Now listen carefully, I will explain the total problem once again. Listen carefully. Money Mohan deposited. Deposited money is considered as positive. I did not write signs here, I wrote here. Money Mohan withdraws. How much money did Mohan withdraw? 1642 rupees he has taken away. He has taken away. When he has taken away, his balance will reduce. If we deposit, our balance will increase. If we take away, our balance will decrease. So, depositing I am represented using positive sign. Withdrawing I am representing using negative sign. As the signs are opposite, I am doing subtraction. And for the answer, I gave the sign of the bigger number. So, what is the final balance in Mohan's account? Rupees 350. Okay, this rough work you can do separately in rough work part. When writing class work, I am telling you. When you are writing class work, this part you do in rough work and this in main work. Okay, children, sixth problem. Listen. A girl Rita is traveling from a point A to point B. Here they have given a diagram also. I am drawing a diagram. Listen carefully. They are drawing a line. Now, this is point A and this is point B. This is east direction and this direction is west. This is a diagram given in the question only. Now, what is that girl Rita doing? The girl Rita traveled from A to B. A to B. Now, 20 kilometers. They have given the distance between A and B. This distance is 20 kilometers. They have given in the problem. So, what did that girl Rita do? She was standing at this point. From this point, she traveled towards east. How much distance? 20 kilometers. And she reached point B. Now, what did she do? From B, again she traveled backward. Forward is positive, backward is negative. East is positive, west is negative. How much distance did she travel back? 30 kilometers. So, from B, when she reached A, 20 kilometers is completed. She traveled 30 kilometers. So, she reached at this point. Now, what is the distance from here till here? Can you tell? First she traveled 20 kilometers and again she traveled 10 more kilometers. 10 more kilometers. Now, they are telling in the question, if the distance towards east is represented by positive sign, what sign will be used for the integer which is on the negative side? Minus. I told you already. East is positive, west is negative. Next question. By which integer you will represent her final position from A? Now, I will write the steps. Listen carefully. First step. Yes. Distance Rita traveled towards east. She started from A. It is just like A is just like 0. A is just like 0 on the number line. She traveled towards right on the number line. Plus 20 kilometers. Now from there she came back. She came towards west. So I wrote minus 30. Did you understand why I wrote minus 30? Because she traveled backwards. Now they are asking two questions. If the distance towards east is represented by positive sign, what sign will you use for the distance towards left? I am writing the answer. Distance traveled towards left or towards west. Distance traveled towards west is represented by negative sign. Is represented by negative integer. This is the answer for the first question. They are asking one more question. They are asking, now where is that girl Rita standing? See here. I told you, you can take this one as 0 on the number line. And this is plus 20. Now, east is positive. Now, when she is traveling from here till here, 20 kilometers are completed. Now, what is this 10? This is minus 10 of west. So, where is that girl standing? That girl is standing at minus 10. I am writing the final step. Listen carefully. The final Rita's final position. Rita's final position is represented by, where is Rita? -10. -10. I'll explain once again, listen very carefully. In this problem, we are discussing about a girl, Rita. First, this is the Rita's position. She is standing at point A. Now, let this point be just like 0 in our imagination on number line. Now, she is traveling towards east. East is positive, west is negative. So, from A to B, she traveled 20 kilometers. So, plus 20. Finish first part. Now, from B, she is traveling towards west, coming back. How many kilometers did she travel backward in the west direction? 30 kilometers. From here, she traveled 30 kilometers. So, when she traveled 20 kilometers, she reached the point 0, number 0. And from there again, she traveled 10 kilometers towards the west. So, her final position, where she is standing, it is represented by -10. And they are asking, if the distance towards east is considered positive, by what sign you will consider the distance traveled towards west? I wrote answer for that. Distance traveled towards west is represented by negative integer. And what is Rita's final position? Where is that girl standing? At -10.